Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to sign up for BDO online banking. It's a straightforward process that allows you to manage your finances conveniently. To begin, ensure you have an eligible BDO account, such as a savings, current, or credit card account. You also need to be at least 13 years old to enroll. Having an active Philippine mobile number is crucial, as it will be used for important security verifications throughout your enrollment journey. Let's get started. The first step is to visit the official BDO website. Once there, look for and click the Enroll Now button to begin your application. You will then need to accurately complete the online enrollment form, providing all necessary personal and account information. Next, choose a unique user ID and create a strong password for your online banking access. Finally, carefully read and accept the terms and conditions before submitting your enrollment form to move forward. After submitting your enrollment, the next crucial step is account activation. If you enrolled using a debit card, you'll receive an ATM activation code. Take this code to any BDO ATM, select Other Services, and then activate electronic banking to complete the process. This code is valid for 45 days. For credit card enrollments, activation is simpler, requiring a one-time password sent to your registered mobile number. Your online banking account is usually activated within one banking day. Congratulations! Once your account is activated, you can log into BDO online banking using the user ID and password you created. For enhanced security, you will receive a one-time password, or OTP, via SMS to your registered mobile number for each login. It is absolutely vital to keep your user ID, password, and OTP confidential and never share them with anyone. Always ensure you are using the official BDO website or mobile application for all your banking transactions to protect your account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.